Hey bestie, welcome to another video on my channel. If it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Andy and I hope you love it here and consider subscribing to the channel. So today we are doing an abstract chrome 3D chrome set. So I had already attach the tips, so now I'm busy with prep. I just applied my dehydrator and now I am applying the sticky bond, and I'll follow that by applying a primer, and then I'll get to the acrylic application. Now this acrylic application is not the best because it was cold and the acrylic was very runny. I did put some acetone into my monomer, but it was still runny. And it was very hard to work with, but I did my best to make it look good. But yeah, like I said, it was not the best application, but yeah, I tried to make it look good. Finally, I was done with the acrylic application, and now it is time to file the nails and reshape the nails. And after that, I'll be buffing the nails and then remove the dust and clean the nails using my sanitizer to make sure they are ready for nail art. Okay, so I applied a matte top coat before applying this pigment powders that I got from Shein to create the aura effect, the pink aura effect. So for the 3D effect, I mixed my rhinestone glue and a black gel from Blanco, and as you can see, I am using the client's phone to look at the inspo picture. I am using my fingertips to apply the chrome powder because I couldn't find the sponges that I normally use. I must have misplaced them, so I had to use my fingers to apply the chrome. And after applying the chrome, I brushed off the excess powder, and before applying the chrome, I had to cure the black gel for 60 seconds, and then I applied the chrome, and as you can see, and I am now cleaning the excess powder, and then I applied the base coat before applying the top coat. So I applied the base coat and then followed by the top coat off camera, and then I applied the cuticle oil, and this is how the nails turn out. Thank you so much for watching, bestie. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye.